Do you ever feel like your whole life is just cleaning, cooking, laundry, and no matter what, you're still stuck in this apron? And every day feels the same mess, chaos, and never ending chores. But what if your home could work for you, not against you? With smart folding, space saving, and real life tricks, it can. Say goodbye to toxic cleaners. Try natural methods that actually work. If you're tired of complicated recipes that take hours, here it's all about fast, easy, and budget friendly meals with no compromise on taste. Transform your routine with smart home hacks that actually save time. From freezing to cleaning, you'll find every home tips you need to make life easier, save time, and spend less. Subscribe to Mrs. Noskoviak Home Tips for real life solution. Snap and done. Bye bye.